Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. There is a big news which is coming here from TCS. TCS has released admit card and the next exam is on 25th of March and 26th of March. But friends, all the students are now very much panicked, and the reason is TCS is telling download the admit card, right? So admit card download, but if you go to the portal, there is no admit card itself. So this is definitely a glitch, okay, in the TCS system, which is not expected here. See, such a reputed MNC, right? When we say TCS, when we say Infosys, when we say Cognizant, Capgemini, these are the most reputed IT companies, and because of this activity, definitely students, see, I got a mail that download admit card and my admit card is not there, then definitely I will get tensed. Why only for me it is not showing? I am preparing for the long time, right? And few days back also, if you'll see and go to our YouTube channel, so there also similar kind of things has been done, TCS admit card scam, where people did not get any email for the admit card download, but their admit card is available on the portal. Are bhai, 1st April there is a time. So, 1st April is full day. There is a time. Why you are doing such things now? So this is definitely a little bit, here we are getting worried that why such a big MNC is doing this. Okay. Now friends, I request a student, please don't worry. Please don't get panic. Every single information, okay, you will be getting from our channel. The only thing which I request you to please do like and subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any update. Even if your admit card is available, if it is available to download, if you're not getting any email, we will inform you. Whatever situation it is, we will inform you. So right now, TCS has sent a email like this. You could see. So 22nd of March, that is today, 11:06 a.m. TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, 25th of March 2025 admit card download. Please be informed that the admit card of TCS NQT All India Batch, which is scheduled on Tuesday, March 25th, is now available to download by logging at the link below. User ID and password. These details has been given, but please don't get panic. Right now, the admit card is not available. You cannot download it. There might be a glitch that mail would have triggered. That is the first situation. Second situation, so the mail is correct, but there is a glitch on their portal where admit card is not available, right? So this is a link from where you will be downloading the admit card. Clear? No? So this is giving you a complete clarity. Login for TCS NQT All India Match 2025. So here, after you log in, there is no admit card available. So now, sir, how will I come to know when my admit card is available? Trust on Online Study for You. Please just subscribe, and after your TCS exam, if you want to unsubscribe, you do it. But right now, for getting every single information, please be there on our channel. TCS NQT All India Batch 2025, 26th of March 2025. So there are also exams on 26th of March, and you have 3 to 4 days. 25th of March, today is 22nd, so 23rd, 24th, 2 days time is there. We will see till today evening. We will see till tomorrow morning. If at all we are not getting any information, then we will send an email to, right? So there are some email IDs are there, which I will put in the description. So you can also send an email to TCS. Bhaiya, bhej to diya link. Admit card kahan hai? Exam is on 25th and 26th. Where is admit card? So all the email IDs I will mention in the video description, okay? So video description. From there you send the mail. From there you send the mail to TCS and ask, I got my exam date on 25th, 26th, but where is the admit card? Bata de bhai, admit card kahan hai? Right? See, earlier we used to hear, it's very difficult to find God. Now it's very difficult to find TCS NQT admit card only. Where is it? In mail it will come, in portal it will come, in the link which they have given it will come, or somebody will come. By TCS NQT admit card, take. Today is your exam, go and write the exam. So this has become a big headache for everyone, student as well as for us also. But you please don't get panic, okay? Don't get tensed. So definitely the effort which you have put will not go waste, okay? So I will be informing you with each and everything. So here only on this particular portal only you will be able to download the admit card. So the admit card might be released maybe today evening or whenever it is getting released, we will inform you. But you also send the mail to TCS, and please share this video. Yeah, see, if more people send mail to TCS, then they will definitely revert back and your problems will start getting solved. Okay, so the email IDs I will give you in the video description. Send an email to them and then see so what they are going to do. Okay, so thank you, take care, all the very best. So this was a small information which I wanted to give you, because there are a lot of queries, lot of messages which are coming to us, and I could see there are many people who are telling, sir, I'm preparing from last 2 to 3 months, sir, now I got this mail but admit card is not there, sir, what should I do? That time, no, see, you feel like the tears are coming, when I read these messages. It here only I can feel it, okay, that somebody is telling, sir, I'm preparing for last 2 to 3 months, I got the email but I am not able to download the admit card, sir, please tell me, sir, what should I do? I want to write the exam. That time I feel like crying here. See, because we have always understood the problem of the student and we will be always understanding, and that is the reason I am making the video right now. I had a plan to go out, but I am here for you. Another thing is, friends, so if you have exam planned, if you are getting the admit card, so we have already started putting the questions which was asked in the examination. So don't forget to check out the questions, okay, which is asked on 15th of March, which is asked on 20th of March. So we are trying to provide you as much as we can, and most of the question directly coming from the crash course only. So see, many of you might tell, sir, you are doing promotion. Arey bhai, your exam you want to clear. So if you are really worried about TCS exam and if you really want to clear, then definitely you will have to take some steps, right? And for that, this TCS NQT crash course, where the questions are coming directly from the crash course itself, so that is going to help you a lot. Thank you, take care, all the very best, and we will inform you each and everything. Please don't worry, don't take any tension. Your big brother is alive now. Until then, your big brother is there. Nothing is going to happen. We will support you. We will do whatever is possible. Even TCS put something on us, even TCS restrict us to do something, I will be keep raising voice wherever I see there is something wrong which is happening with my brother and sister. Okay, that's all. Take care. Bye, and don't forget to share this video to as many people as possible, so that they send mail to TCS and immediately they rectify the problem. Thank you.